Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we invite you to explore the cosmic wonders of the Whirlpool Galaxy through this stunning 5-ounce coin, expertly crafted from 99.99% pure silver. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity, the coin comes packaged in a circular wooden collector case, elegantly embossed with the word Extragalactic on the lid. Inside the coin is nestled in a velvet-lined material with cosmic-inspired foiling for an added touch of sophistication. This uniquely patinaed coin portrays a colored representation of the Whirlpool Galaxy. Encircled by the inscription Extragalactic, its diameter in kiloparsecs and distance from Earth in mega light years, and its location on the celestial sphere. Representing stars within the galaxy arms, the reverse is hand-set with a stunning pink, golden, and 2 white diamonds. Also included are the designer's initials, the Perth Mint's P mint mark, and 2025 year date. Issued as Australian legal tender, the obverse depicts the Dan Thorne effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the coin's weight, purity, monetary denomination. With the mintage of just 1,000, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.